Soon after Bill Chayak votes, Zion Roots. Don't know.
Ancient heartbeat, deep, profound. Roots below, sky above. Everything moving, rhythm of love. Me learn from dirt, me learn from rain. Every joy come after pain. Nature talk, if you listen close. Truth revealing silent pose. No rush life, no fast display. Earth, teach me better way. Walk barefoot on sacred land. Feel the power in the sand. Trees them whisper, old time tune. Sing of sun and rising moon. What we plant is what we reap. Promise sowed, promise keep. Roots of the earth, hold me strong. Where me truly belong. Roots of the earth. Steady be me guide. Me see the city lose its soul. Chasing paper, losing goal. Still the earth remains so true. Offering our healing too. If you listen, she will teach. Peace no far, just out of reach. Me bow me head in gratitude. For air, for rain, for food. Every step I sacred sign, earth and spirit intertwined. From mountain high to ocean flow, bird whisper, remember more. We belong, not separate. Love is key to change our place. Roots of the earth call me strong. Where me truly belong. Roots of the earth, deep and wide. Hold me steady, give me guys. So me walk gentle, tread with care. Earth is life, we are must share. Na 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 na, na 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 na. You wake with the sunrise glow. Fire in me soul skill go. Your voice whisper soft and slow. Tell me what the righteous road. Me grow up rough, me learn the gain. Spill me heart, not turn to change. If it's car a lesson true. Teach me what my band fi do. Them child break me spirit down, but me stand firm pa holy ground. Me no chase gold, me chase truth. From elder word to youth for root. The system load, but me stay calm. Jah protect me with this arm. Fire burn, but never hate. Love me weapon, faith me gate. Fire in a soul, burn clean. Pure vibration, evergreen. Fire in a soul, light the way. Guide me through night and day. Them lose them way, searching hope in night and day. Me sing for them, me stand tall. One love rise, divide fall. Roots deep like ancient tree. Jah plan bigger than we see. Me chant against oppression chain. Freedom psalm run through my vein. no fear inside, no turning back. Me part clear, me heart intact. When world get cold and hearts feel weak, fire in a soul starts to speak. Truth rise up, no disguise. Your light shine from inside. Fire in a soul, burn clean. Pure vibration, evergreen. Fire in a soul, light the way. Guide me through night and day. So me walk on strong and bold, with fire burning, never cold. Jah inside me never fall. Fire in a soul. Pure gold. Chest, lion heart no need no test. Every step me taking truth. Ancient fire in me youth. Me born fi walk the righteous road. Heavy crown but like the Lord. No fear in me eyes. Only wisdom never lies. Me hear ancestors call me name. Tell me rise above the pain. Me no run when pressure come. Me stand firm, never dumb. Life a war, but peace me shield. True strength never kneel. Lion walk slow but sure. Power calm, heart pure. Lion path, walk it strong. Truth and courage all along. Lion path, step by step, never fall, never fret. Lion path, walk it strong. Truth and courage all along. Lion path, step by step, never fall, never fret. You see temptation on the side, but the faith me only guide. Goal and fame no change me mind. Freedom come from heart align. Every trial shape me soul, make me whole. Me ruin your total rage or pride, but the God love deep inside. Lion path not built for fear, only those with heart sincere. When the night get cold and long, me remember where me from. Lion spirit strong and true. Jah walk every step we do. Lion path, walk it strong. Truth and courage all along. Lion path, never bend till the very end. So me walk Every voice blends smooth and warm, bring protection from any storm. Me feel grounded, me feel free, surrounded by community. Lantern light flicker on each face, give the night the sacred grace. Children laugh while elders glow, wisdom pass like river flow. Me hold a moment deep inside, life move gentle like the tide. Midnight lanterns guide the way, keep the darkness far away. Shine a comfort, shine a peace, bless the soul with warm release. Midnight lanterns bright and true, carry love in every hue. Songs rise up in the mellow breeze, voices blend like rooted trees. Me hear rhythm in every line, spirit settle, feel divine. Night bring blessings calm and slow, light within begin to glow. Footsteps echo on crooked stone, people dance though times unknown. Laughter carry through the night, turn the shadows into light. Energy wrap round everyone, harmony tread never done. Ooh. Hold the lantern high and clear, let the glow erase your fear. Walk with confidence and pride, night itself become your guide. Midnight lanterns guide the way, keep the darkness far away. Shine a comfort, shine a peace, bless the soul with warm release. Lantern fire soft and bright, lead the heart through every night. Ooh. When the moon fade, the morning rise, carry the lantern in your eyes. Midnight wisdom always stay, lighting every brand new day. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay.
No, 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 no. Morning breeze touch me skin soft and warm. Ocean whisper say, hold calm. Me take a deep breath, feel life align. Sunrise paint the horizon fine. Me walk on the sun with a quiet mind. Every footprint leave all stress behind. Birds circle I with a peaceful grace. Me find strength in this sacred place. Waves carry stories from far and near, telling me truth me always hear. The breeze carry rhythm through the bay, show me the lessons of yesterday. People hustle, people crawl, but still the spirit never fall. Me reconnect with the inner spark, guided even when times feel dark. Golden shoreline, heal me soul again. Wash me worry, wash me pain. Every ripple sing, this tune. Balance return with the rising moon. Me see me future with steady eyes. No more shadow, no disguise. Energy rising, strong inside. Carry me through every tide. Fisherman chant with ancient tone. Talk about days when seeds were sown. Me honor the wisdom them bring round. Me hear truth in every sound. Respect for the land, respect for life. Ease the sorrow, ease the strife. All calm, breathe slow. Let the shoreline guide your flow. Every step a healing beat. Feel the freedom in your feet. Golden shoreline, heal my soul again. Wash me worry, wash me pain. Every ripple sing a new design. Lead me forward, sweet divine. Golden shoreline, open up the way. Bless me night and bless me day. When the world gets heavy and rough, return to the sea, it's love enough. Golden shoreline, forever near. Carry me spirit year by year. Gentle sound, river whisper, rolling round. My mind drift free, my spirit sway. Ready for chant a brighter day. Me walk along the quiet bank. Give thanks for blessing when me thank. Water shimmer, silver blue. Carry secrets old and new. Me stop for listen, touch the floor. Feel a rhythm deep below. It speak of trial, speak of win. Each old journeys must begin. A fisherman cast with patient hand. Master of the tide and sun. He tell me stories about the sea. How every wave set people free. His wisdom simple, still profound. Grown my thoughts with stable sound. He said take life step by step. Every movement all a depth. River of echo speak to me. Guide my soul to clarity. Flowing wide, flowing strong. Teach me how to right the wrong. River of echoes, ancient tune. Glow beneath the rising moon. Carry truth down every mile. Wash me heart and make it smile. Wash me heart, make it smile. Me cross a bridge of timber hole. Hear footsteps of stories told. The wood play cards beneath my feet. Steady pulse, so soft, so sweet. Me witness youths dance by the shore. Free like never before. Them turn the river into stage. Calm the mind, unlock the cage. Nightfall dress the world in blue. Crickets start to sing.
anew. Moonlight kiss the water skin, make it glow from deep within. Me feel the truth rise up again, flow through me like healing rain. The river carry joy and tears, stories stuck from ancient years. Listen close, the current speak words of strength for when you're weak. Follow where your spirit go, life flow sure like river flow. River of echo speak to me, guide my soul to clarity. Flowing wide, flowing strong, teach me how to right the wrong. River of echoes, ancient truth, glow beneath the rising moon. Carry truth down every mile, wash me heart and make it smile. So when the nights get too heavy, find a river calm and steady. Sit and listen, let it show the peace within the ebb and flow. Na 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 na, na 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 na.
Aye, 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 aye. Aye, aye, aye. Earth feel calm in the early mist. Nature whisper like a gentle twist. Me take a breath, me take it slow. Ja melody start fi flow. The hillside covered in morning dew, fresh breeze carry a vibrant hue. Me walk the path with steady stride, no rush, no worry, just pure pride. Me see the youth, them lift them head, shake off doubt from what was said. Me tell them focus on your dreams, even rivers start as streams. A sculptor carved stone by the lane, his hands covered in dust and pain. But from the rock come shape and grace, strength and beauty share one space. Me reason with him for a while, he teach me patience, teach me style. He say every block hide a hidden key, carve with love and truth you'll see. Stone and breeze in harmony, strength and calm in unity. Hold your balance, hold your ground, let your peace be deep and sound. Stone and breeze in one accord, move with life, give thanks to Lord. Hold the center, let it ease, live like stone and flow like breeze. Me step through town as sun get bright, every corner full of life and light. Children paint murals on the wall, colorize and never fall. Me feel the vibes in every stroke, future built from word and spoken creativity. A healing field, brush and drum become the shield. Evening comes soft like cotton cloth, birds them settle, breeze blow warm. Me sit and watch the skyline glow, city heartbeat calm and slow. People gather for small delight, share them music through the night. Harmony rise in every tone, blend like breeze shaping stone. Stand firm like mountain tall, but stay flexible through it all. Life a dance between strong and free, hold the balance, let it be. Stone and breeze in harmony, strength and calm in unity. Hold your balance, hold your ground, let your peace be deep and sound. Stone and
On me skin tonight, lanterns glow with gentle lights. Me heart feel open, mind feel clear, calling blessings far and near. Me stroll through streets soft lit and warm, shadow shape a quiet farm. People move with easy grace, joy reflecting every face. Me hear two elders reason deep about promises we need to keep. Them words like fire in the cold, wisdom never growing old. A young musician play his tune, soft like silver, bright like moon. He sing of dreams he want to chase, spread his voice all over the place. Me stop, feel, listen, feel the spark. His melody light up the dark. Me tell him continue, never fear. Your song soon travel far and near. Lanterns in the distant shine, guide the weary, pure divine. Lead we through the darkest hour, fill the heart with healing power. Lanterns rising one by one, glow like hope before the sun. Warm and bright, carry courage through the night. Me wander toward the hillside slope, find a group chanting songs of hope. Harmony float like sacred breeze, flow through branches, touch the trees. Me join them with a humble tone, feel vibration in every bone. Connection deep, connection real, a unity nothing can steal. Down the valley voices spread, people lift them weary head. Lanterns drifting toward the sky, send up prayers high and high. Me stand and watch the colors rise, blend with stars before me eyes. Every glow a humble sign that darkness fade when hearts align. Light the mind, light the way, even small sparks chase career. Every soul whole ember bright, share it freely through the night. Lanterns in the distant shine, guide the weary, pure divine. Lead we through the darkest hour, fill the heart with healing power. Lanterns rising one by one, glow like hope before the sun. Keep the spirit warm and bright, carry courage through the night. So keep your lantern held up high, let it burn against the sky. Wherever trouble try to roam, your inner light will lead you home.
Smoke and meditate, yeah, man.
Me see the towers reach the sky, but truth no living lie. Me feel the wind of judgment near. Jah voice me hear, the world tremble, the system shake. Cause the people awake, Babylon falling, me see the sign. Redemption time, them build them kingdom pon the seat. Them feed the poor with defeat, but every stone them stack so high. Soon crumble, soon dry, the earth cry out in pain. Jah wash it clean again, them can't hide behind them gold. The prophecy unfold, me see the youth them wise again. Rising out the chain, me see the people gather round. Freedom sound, no more leaders full of pride. Truth can't hide, them try to silence your name, but still it flame. Babylon falling, hear the sound. Walls are tumble to the ground. Truth are the weapon, righteousness return. Me see the mother hold her child, say justice no fi mile. Me see the father chant a prayer, Jah always there. Me see the system lose control, people claim back soul. Me stand up tall and chant me line, time fi redefine. Me no rejoice in another's fall, me just answer Jah call. Cause from the ruin come rebirth, new heaven, new earth. Me see the sunrise gold and red, a sign for what Jah said. Babylon fall but we still stand, guided by Jah and tears turn river, pain turn song. Rasta never wrong, we build again from dust and clay. Jah show the way, no crown for the wicked king, only truth we sing. Me hear the thunder roll and call, Babylon fall in hear the sound. Walls are tumble to the ground, truth are the weapon, love the key, set the captives free. Babylon falling, no delay, Jah kingdom pave the way. Every lie must fade and burn, righteousness return. Babylon gone, Babylon gone, go. Babylon, Babylon, Babylon fall. Babylon. Zion land, holy spark of Jahan, it blaze eternal, never gone. Zion fire blazing strong, it burn the wicked, cleanse the soul. Zion fire make we whole, no Babylon can stop the flame. Zion fire call Jah name. Zion fire blaze so bright, shining pure the holy light. Every spark eternal flame, Zion fire exalt Jah name. It guide the children, guide the meek. Zion fire all people seek, forever burning, never cease. Zion fire bring Jah peace, it warm the heart, it light the way. Zion fire every day, forever glowing, pure and white. Zion fire holy tight, me see it blaze in morning sun. Zion fire never done, it cleanse the land, it heal the pain. Zion fire forever reign, forever burning, strong and true. Zion fire carry you, it blaze the night, it blaze the dawn. Zion fire still carry on, it rise eternal, pure and strong. Zion fire just song, no Babylon can dim the flame. Zion fire praise his name, eternal burning, pure and free. Zion fire destiny, it blaze the nations, blaze the sea. Zion fire eternity. When the trumpet sound again, Zion fire still remain, forever holy, never cease. Zion fire bring Jah peace, from dawn of time till judgment day. Zion fire Jah way, eternal blazing, pure and long. Zion fire
carry on. Ganja is the medicine, yeah, man. Garden bloom in Zion land, planted by the Father's hand. Every flower, every tree, Zion garden set me free. It grow the herbs, it grow the fruits. Zion garden Jarut. No Babylon can spoil the ground. Zion garden all around. Zion garden, lush and green, sweetest beauty ever seen. Every leaf a holy flame. Zion garden praise his name. Zion garden praise his name. Zion garden, it feed the children, feed the poor. Zion garden always more, forever holy, never gone. Zion garden shining strong, it heal the weary, lift the low. Zion garden make it grow, forever fertile, pure and wide. Zion garden holy tide, me plant me seed in morning sun. Zion garden never done, it bless the harvest, bless the rain. Zion garden heal the pain, forever holy, pure and true. Zion garden carry you, it grow the truth, it grow the song. Zion garden just strong. It bloom eternal, never fade. Zion garden Jah made. No Babylon can dry the land. Zion garden by Jah hand, forever fertile, lush and free. Zion garden destiny, it grow the earth, it grow the love. Zion garden gift from above. When the trumpet sound again, Zion garden still remain, forever holy, never cease. Zion garden bring Jah peace, from dawn of time till judgment day. Zion garden show Jah way, eternal harvest, pure and strong. Zion garden Jah song, grow high, grow free. Zion garden eternity, no drought, no war can
nations teach me fast. Mountain spirit, hold me near. Ease the doubt, remove the fear. Rise among the hills tonight. Claim your courage, claim your light. Every heart beats strong and true. Show the world what you can do. Rise among the hills and stand. Hold the future in your hand. Birds fly free along the ridge. Cross the valley, cross the bridge. Me take guidance from the flight. Find new power, find new sight. Every minute bring new hope. Help me learn fi better cope. Villagers greet with open smile. Share their strength for one more mile. Me hold the blessing them provide. Let it flow along the ride. Unity rise in every face. Lift the spirit of the place. Stand firm, breathe deep. Climb the hills your spirit keep. Every journey start within. Let your courage always win. Rise among the hills tonight. Claim your courage, claim your light. Every heart beats strong and true. Show the world what you can do. Hilltop blessings lift you high. Spread your wings and touch the sky. Remember hills strong, make you strong. Rise again, no matter how. Let the mountains guide you now. Oh yeah. Oh. No. Kiss my face, whole world slow in a peaceful pace. My spirit rise with the morning glow, calling me forth to let love grow. Me wander through the city lane, hear footsteps echo joy and pain. Some people searching, some people hide, but every soul drifting pon the same tide. Me whisper strength to the broken youth. Tell them stand firm, walk with truth. Me see them eyes light up again. Hope bloom fresh like after rain. Me pass the market, colors bright. Voices mixing, pure delight. Tell stories deep and wise. Bout how unity lift we to the skies. Me soak it in like sacred rhyme. Words were sharpen every time. Me heartbeat steady on the road. Carry the weight of a peaceful load. Golden tide flow, lift we higher. Warm up the world with gentle fire. Every heartbeat find its place. Every soul shine with grace. Golden tide flow, never fade. Turn every shadow into shade. Rise as one, let love decide. We move together on the golden tide. Me see a mother calm her child. Tell him why the world feel wild. Her voice so soft, her courage tall. A reminder love outshine it all. People gather near the shore, sing them chants from from long before. Old rhythm move through every ear. Call the people far and near. Nightfall spread a velvet glow. Stars them flicker like a show. The drums start beating, steady waves, carrying memories of ancient days. Every dance step tell a tale. Faith sails strong like mighty gale. Me feel the unity deep inside, flowing soft like the golden tide. Lift up your mind, lift up your soul. Together we strong, together we hold. No fear can break what love create. Every heart born fi elevate. Hear the breeze, hear the beat. Let the harmony make you complete. Golden tide flow, lift we higher. Warm up the world with gentle fire. Every heartbeat find its place. Every soul shine with grace. Golden tide flow, never fade. Turn every shadow into shade. Rise as one, let love decide. We move together on the golden tide. So when the night feel cold or wide, let your spirit be your guide. Hold the joy we live inside, and float forever on the golden tide. Aye, aye, aye. Zion reggae, yeah, man. Sound the drum from Zion Hill, heartbeat of the Father's will. It called the nations, call them near. Zion drum beat we all hear. From ancient days till present time, Zion drum beat sound divine. No Babylon can silence sound. Zion drum beat all around. Zion drum beat strong and free, echo through eternity. Every thump a holy song. Zion drum beat keep it strong. It guide the people, guide the land. Zion drum beat by Jah hand. Forever steady, pure and wide. Zion drum beat holy tide. It heal the weary, lift the meek. Zion drum beat all hearts seek. From mountain high to valley low, Zion drum beat always flow. Me feel it in the morning sun. Zion drum beat never done. It shake the chain, it break the wall. Zion drum beat fi all. Forever thundering, pure and true. Zion drum beat carry you. Eternal rhythm, steady flame. Zion drum beat praise his name. It rise eternal, strong and tall. Zion drum beat bless we all. Forever sounding, never gone. Zion drum beat keep it strong. It call the children, call the youth. Zion drum beat Jah truth. Eternal rhythm, mighty sound. Zion drum beat all around. When the trumpet sound again, Zion drum beat still remain. Forever holy, never cease. Zion drum beat bring Jah peace. From dawn of time till judgment day, Zion drum beat show Jah way. Eternal thumping, pure and free. Zion drum beat destiny.
Iron drum beat move the feet. Calling warriors, calling friends. Rhythm rise and Babylon ends. Thunder echo, bassline roll. Iron drum ignite the soul. No more silence, no retreat. People march pon iron beat. Sound wave travel, wall collapse. Rasta Marcus roll this spliff, yeah man. Lift your eyes to the midnight sky. Stars above the nation testify. Silent witness shining bright. Guide the people through the night. Not of gold, not of throne, but the heavens we call home. Constellations mark the way. Stars declare a brighter day. Every twinkle tell the tale. Truth of Zion will prevail. Ancient sail across the sea. Stars deliver destiny. Now the people wonder still. Stars align, Fija will. Every journey, every dream. Stars above the nation gleam. Hope reflected, truth revealed. Broken spirit gently healed. Moon and planet shining line. Signal now the holy time. Babylon shadow lose its claim. Stars eternal still remain. From the desert to the shore. Nation rise forevermore. Every twinkle, every light. Promise shine against the night. Sky proclaim what must be done. Stars unite the hearts as one. Message bright in every zone. Heaven write the truth in stone. Drummers beat beneath the glow. Stars inspire them to grow. Every singer lift the song. Stars above keep them strong. Generations gaze above. Stars remind of endless love. Vision pure, never gone. Stars of Zion carry on. Shine, shine, endless flame. Stars exalt your holy name. Glow, glow, far and wide. Stars of Zion still guide. Burn, burn, never die. Stars of Zion fill the sky. Stars above the nation bright. Lead the people through the fight. Never fading, never gone. Stars of Zion carry on. Forever burning clear and true. Stars above still guide you. Through the darkness, through the pain. Stars of Zion still remain. Ay, ay, ay. Ganja and Zion Raga. Hey, yeah. Oh, ah. Ay, ay, ay. Ganja and Zion Raga, yeah, man. Oh, ah, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Me wake up to the ancient beat. Drum tag under me feet. Wind whisper through the trees. Carry a message from the breeze. From Africa to Caribbean shore. Me spirit open more and more. The call of the drum never fade. It echo through a jam made. Me hear the elders chant them song. Say Rasta youth stand strong. Them rhythm pure, them message wise. Reach the heart, open eyes. Them teach me how to live upright. How to walk in your light. Every beat a prayer divine.
top salute. Me see the youth, them lose them way. Me chant fi bring them back today. Cause music heal what pain divide, and love nah hide. Call up the drum, rise and play. Guide the people night and day. Beat for justice, beat for peace. Let the wickedness cease. Call up the drum, pure vibration. Unite every nation. Sound of freedom echo strong. Rasta keep it long. Me close me eyes and me travel far. Beyond the moon, beyond the star. Me hear the ancestors whisper clear. Keep the drum, keep Jah near. Every rhythm tell a tale. Every song set sail. Me carry the sound through the storm. Truth in perfect form. Inna the market, inna the street. Drum beat under me feet. Children dance, woman sing. Hope in everything. The world may shake but sound stay pure. The drum keep we secure. Long as the heartbeat still strong, we sing Jah song. Me no fear no system chain. Music heal me pain. From Shashamane to Kingston town, drum never let we down. Every strike